A University of California study found that the more difficulty people had saying no, the more likely they were to experience stress, burnout, and even depression. Every yes to someone else's priority is a no to your own. Script. I appreciate you thinking of me for this. Unfortunately, I'm at capacity right now and wouldn't be able to give it the attention it deserves. Can I suggest alternative person/time? This validates the asker, explains without over-explaining, and offers an alternative. Script. I'd love to help with this. Here's what's currently on my plate. Which of these should I deprioritize to make room? This is perfect for managers who keep adding work without removing anything. It forces them to make the trade-off explicit. Script. I can't commit to this right now, but I could revisit it in time frame. Can you check back with me then? This isn't a permanent no, it's a not now. Many requests resolve themselves or find someone else in the interim. Every effective no has three elements: acknowledgement, I see you; boundary, I can't right now; and alternative, here's what I could do instead. Never over-explain or apologize excessively. A brief, warm decline is more respected than a reluctant yes that leads to resentment. Save these scripts in your Notes app. Next time you feel pressure to say yes, pause and use the one that fits. Practice makes it natural. Share your favorite script variation in the comments.